Hey there, welcome back. So today we will experiment few things and we will try to introduce you with inheritance. In order to do this, I have already added this project into my Eclipse IDE, and in here we have couple of packages. I will walk you through this very simple and easy to understand program. So let's get started. So to start with, first of all, we have this demo.java file, and this demo.java file is extremely simple, where we simply have the main method and the package is org.steadyeasy. So no rocket science in here. Moving forward, we also have org.steadyeasy.parent package, and inside this package we have this vehicle.java class, and inside this class we are simply starting with few properties. And to start with, and in order to demonstrate how the inheritance works, I have kept all of these properties as public. In real life scenarios, the properties would be private. So we will handle the situation where we will update the access specifier and we will convert these public to private, and we will also discuss related to access specifier later down the line. Alright, so moving forward, we also have yet another package. The name of the package is org.steadyeasy.vehicles, and inside this package we have couple of classes. The first class is bike, where we only have one property, which is handle. Then we have car package, where we have couple of more properties, and these properties are steering, music system, air conditioner, fridge, and entertainment system. Let me modify this a little in order to follow the naming convention. So the naming conventions are now getting followed. And then we also have the class for truck. So this is the class for truck. Let me also show you the PPT, which will give you a better idea what we are trying to do in here. Now friends, if you remember this presentation, then this presentation is something what we are trying to implement in our program. So these are the properties which are there for the specific vehicle. The vehicle are bike, car and truck, right? And definitely there are some common properties. So we are keeping all of these common properties in our class by the name of vehicle, and we will be deriving the properties to our child classes, and these child classes would be bike, car and truck. So this is what we are trying to implement, which is in front of you. There would be a class by the name of vehicle, where we have couple of properties. Likewise, there are classes which will derive vehicle and add some specific properties for the specific vehicle. Alright, so let me close this. Alright, so coming back to our program, here is our demo.java file, where we would be creating an object, and moving forward, here is the vehicle class, where we have the common properties like engine, wheel, seat, fuel tank, lights. Likewise, we have these specific vehicles like bike, car and truck, and these classes have specific properties like bike has a handle, car has steering, music system, air conditioner, fridge, entertainment system. Then truck has steering, music system, air conditioner and container, right? So apart from these common properties, we have the specific property defined in these specific classes. So let's get started and let's create an object of bike class. Alright, so in here, moving forward, I can type in like bike equals new bike. So no rocket science in here, and we will be simply importing the bike class. Now if we try to access the properties, what would be the impact? So I will type in bike dot, and in here if we check the suggestion, it is giving us only one suggestion from bike class. The suggestion is handle. So we can access the property handle right away, which is good, but we are not able to access the property which are there in this vehicle.java class. And there is a specific reason why we are not able to do that. Moving forward, we are not able to use this properly as well. Somehow this is giving us some kind of error, and the error is variable declarators to complete local variable declaration. And the reason is pretty simple. In here we are not having any default value. So what we can do is we can initialize this with some string, and the string could be like short. So the bike has a short handle and the error is vanished. Alright, so moving forward, we would be making these properties which are there inside our vehicle class available to our specific classes. And these classes are bike class, car class and truck class. And the way of extending is pretty simple. We will simply extend the functionality and properties from our parent class, and in order to do that we will make use of extends keyword, and then we will make use of the name of the class. So here is our class. Alright, so this looks cool. Let us do the same for car and truck as well. So in here we will extend these as well. Extends vehicle, and let's quickly do it for truck as well. Alright, so this is fantastic. Now moving forward, if we check the demo.java file, and in here, for example, if we try to check the properties which are there, then in here we can easily identify that we are able to access the properties from vehicle class as well. And these properties are engine, fuel tank, handle, light, seats, wheels. Out of all of these properties, only handle is from our bike class. Rest of the properties are from vehicle class. Now for example, we make use of this bike.engine, and type of the engine as maybe petrol engine, and then it will work properly, right? And we can check the values using system.out.println. Let me do that. So in here I will simply print bike.engine and our work should be done. So let me check. So in here we can say bike.engine and the value would be printed, as we have already initialized the object for this property. Let me show you the output, and here is the output. So this is amazing how we can like access the information from the parent class. Definitely there is more to it. This was simply an introduction part, and there is more to it, and we will check more details in our forthcoming videos. So thanks for watching. Take care.